If you want to be a good English speaker, you have to cover your basic grammatical rules. So the question is, what is the basic grammatical rules? That is, at first you have to know the structure of tense. When you know the structure of tense, then you will be able to speak English and you will be able to make some sentences. When you cover your tense, then you have to imagine some sentence about those tense structure. For example, you learn the present perfect tense, so you have to make some sentence about the present perfect tense. I have eaten something, I have come here, these types of sentence. Then you will be able to speak fluently. But if you don't practice every day in this sentence, in this tense or basic grammar, you will not be able to speak English fluently and you will not be able a good English speaker.